Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to update a firmware of a Hikvision NVR or DVR because this method applies to all Hikvision products. So what I'm going to use on this tutorial is the SADP tool. As you can see here, this software can be downloaded for free from Hikvision website. Okay, so this is the model that I want to update the firmware. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to log in to this NVR using its IP address. Okay, I'm going to go to Edge. So this is the IP address of my NVR. I'm going to log in, username, password. Login. I'm going to go back to SADP tool. As you can see where they say here serial number. So I selected from DS to K2. So this is the model. I'm going to select this. I'm going to come to Google. I'm going to paste it here. When you paste it here, you click on Hikvision website. As I already logged in here, when you log in, you come to configuration. Okay, you come system setting. So configuration, basic information, system setting. This is the firmware version this NVR have right now. Now we are on the Hikvision website. If we scroll down, as you can see, this is the model. I'm going to click resources. As you can see here, firmware. I'm going to click on this arrow here. So this is the model. This is the firmware they got right now. Let's see if they are the same. Okay, as you can see here on the website, they got the version 4.72. And here they do have the version 4.71. So look like there's a new firmware available. Okay, so I'm gonna download it. Come to resources. The firmware. I'm gonna click download. Agree. I'm gonna say just start download. So I'm gonna paste the downloaded file here. I'm gonna extract it here on this folder. Okay, this is the firmware. Okay, it's the div type of file. Let's go back to our NVR. I had to log in again. Log in. So from maintenance, you come to upgrade. As you can see here, firmware. I'm gonna browse. I'm gonna select this file. I'm gonna click upgrade. As you can see here, this device will reboot automatically. I'm gonna click OK. If it failed, that means it's the wrong firmware or there's no update. As you can see, it's updating. Gonna have to wait. Let's wait. As you can see, they say rebooting. rebooting. Wait, okay, guys, rebooting. Let's log in. Now let's log in and see. Mm. Mm. Let's come to system setting. If you got it right. Mm. As you can see right now, I got the exact version of this NVR. So this is the one that are available on Hikvision website. Version 472, version 472. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.